Chapter 3. Aladdin and the Genie. This is an enjoyable and entertaining play. Before reading the play, you should familiarize yourself with the characters of the play. Aladdin, a poor tailor's son. Abdul, Aladdin's dead father. Fatima, Aladdin's mother. Wicked Wizard, Aladdin's false uncle. The Genie, servant of the lamp. Scene 1. In one evening, Aladdin and his mother are eating a simple meal of dry bread and vegetable soup. Aladdin: Mother, I met my uncle in the street this morning. Fatima: Surprise. Aladdin: He said he is father's brother. Fatima: Abdul's brother? What did he say? Someone knocks at the door. What's that noise? Who's there, Aladdin? Go and find out. Aladdin goes and opens the door. Greetings, uncle. Mother: Mother, come quickly. Uncle has come to see us. Wizard: Greetings to you, Aladdin. Fatima comes to the door. Greetings to you, Fatima. Fatima: Who are you? How do you know my name? I don't know you. Wizard: Fatima, don't you remember me? I'm your dead husband's brother. Fatima: Abdul's brother? After so many years. Please come inside. Do sit down. Wizard: Thank you. Peace be upon you. To Aladdin: Aladdin, I need your help. I'm an old man. Tomorrow, I must take out the treasure which I have hidden in a secret place. Will you get it for me? I'll make you very rich if you help me. Aladdin: Of course, uncle, I'll get your treasure for you. Wizard: Thank you. We will leave early in the morning. Scene 2. Aladdin and the wizard are in a narrow valley. The wizard lights a fire and throws a magic powder in it. The earth shakes terribly and the ground opens. There is a big square stone with a round brass ring on it. Aladdin is astonished. Wizard: Aladdin, pull up the brass ring. Aladdin: Yes, uncle. Pulls up the ring. The stone moves to one side. He sees a flight of stairs. Wizard: Now, go down and look for an old lamp. Bring it to me. Then, take what you want from the cave. Aladdin: Yes, uncle. Goes down and enters an enormous cave. Aladdin: It's very dark in here. But what's that shining over there? Rubs his eyes, gold and jewels. What shall I take with me? This box of jewels or these bags of gold coins? Now, where is the lamp? Ah, there it is. I wonder why uncle wants this dirty old lamp? Wizard: Outside, hurry up. Bring me the lamp quickly. Aladdin: I'm coming, uncle. I have the lamp. Starts climbing up the stairs. I'll give it to you. But first let me come out into the open air. Wizard: You wicked boy. Give it to me at once or I'll punish you. I'll shut you up in the cave. Aladdin: I won't give you the lamp. Wizard: Angrily, then stay in the cave. Throws some magic powder on the square stone and shouts a spell. The stone moves and shuts the cave. I cannot get the lamp myself. Someone has to get it for me. If I try to get it, I will die. Aladdin, I can't get out. Help! Help! Uncle, why have you shut me in? Sobbing, oh, what shall I do? If I light this old lamp, I may find my way out. I'll clean it first. Takes the lamp and rubs it on his shirt. A genie appears. Genie, I'm the servant of the man who owns the lamp owns me. What are your wishes? Aladdin, am I dreaming? Pinches himself, ouch. I am awake. This is magic. Genie, can you take me home along with all these jewels? Genie, certainly, master. Away we go. Aladdin, moments later, oh, I'm back in my house again. Genie, thank you. You saved my life. Fatima, Aladdin, Aladdin, what happened? He tells his mother the whole story. Fatima, that was not your uncle. He was a wicked wizard. Remember one thing. Never talk to strangers and tell them where you live. Aladdin, yes, mother, I'll remember that. Aladdin became very rich with the help of the genie. He and his mother lived happily ever after. New words. Wizard. A man with magic powers. Terribly. In a way which is very unpleasant and makes you afraid. Astonished. Very much surprised. Enormous. Extremely large, huge. Understanding the lesson. A. Put a tick on the correct option to complete the sentences. 1. The wizard told Aladdin that he was his A. Mother's brother. B. Father's brother. C. Mother's uncle. D. Father's uncle. 2. The wicked wizard got angry and said magic words to A. Shut the cave. B. Kill Aladdin. C. Kill Abdul. D. Destroy the cave. 3. The genie of the lamp took Aladdin out of the A. House. B. Valley. C. Cave. D. Town. B. Complete the sentences with words from the lesson. 1. The wizard said that he must take out the which he had hidden in a secret place. 2. The wizard lights a fire and throws A in it. 3. There is a big square stone with a round brass on it. 4. Aladdin became very rich with the help of the C. Answer these questions. 1. Why did Aladdin and the wizard go to the narrow valley? 2. What did wicked wizard do in anger? 3. How did genie help Aladdin? Vocabulary zone. Fill in the blanks with a word from the brackets. 1. Work is to day, as sleep is to. 2. Thick is to thin, as short is to. 3. Kirti is to girl, as Rohan is to. 4. A teacher is to a class, as a mother is to a. Grammar fun. Read the following sentences. Minnie was a young girl. Minnie lived in an ashram. Minnie was a young girl. She lived in an ashram. She is used in place of the noun Minnie. Words which are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. He, she, it, you, they, we Us, I and me are some. Pronouns. Rewrite these sentences using pronouns in place of the colored words. 1. Riya and Guddi study in my school. Riya and Guddi work hard. 2. The Guru had 10 students. The Guru loved teaching them. 3. Priya and Ashu are going to Mussoorie. Priya and Ashu are going by train. 4. Sarah will go to Delhi. Sarah will go with her brother. Listening time. Your teacher will read some given words. Repeat that rhyming words. 1. Half, fall, salt, malt. 2. Bark, walk, park, share. 3. Slow, cow, now, come. 4. Sack, pack, duck, bird. 5. Reach, teach, rich, read. Speak well. Work with your partner. Take turns to ask and answer questions about each other. You. How old are you? Partner. I am 7 years old. You may use these questions or ask your own. 1. What is your favorite color? 2. Where do you live? 3. Who is your best friend? 4. How do you come to school? Write well. Number these sentences in the correct order. Write the sentences below. Then read the story. Yes, we should go home now, said Rohan. Look at the dark clouds in the sky, Sam called out. It is going to rain. They took their kite and ran home. 1. Sarah, Sam and Rohan were flying a kite in the park. Sarah, Sam and Rohan were flying a kite in the park.